This dog is so huge that it literally pushes its owner to the edge of the couch, and when it wants to sleep, it even comes holding its own tail in its mouth, but the poor thing still ends up sleeping on the floor. This is not an ordinary dog. It's a Caucasian Shepherd, one of the top 5 in size and strength, also known as the king of dogs. It grows so fast that by just 2 months old, it already weighs around 44 pounds. That's why you should lift and cuddle it as much as you can while it's small, because once it grows up to 176 to 220 pounds, it becomes impossible to handle. Even though it looks fierce and was originally bred in Russia to fight wolves and bears, it is extremely loyal to its owner. With family members, it behaves like a giant furry teddy bear, but once it goes outside, its attitude towards strangers changes. If it senses danger, it becomes very hard to control. That's why this breed is usually raised in rural areas, and it's often banned in big cities.